Class 6, we are moving to the problem sums of vulgar fraction, that is exercise 18. Now exercise 18, first sum, 1/5 of a number exceeds 1/3 of a number exceeds 1/5 by 40. Find the number. So what does it mean? When a number exceeds, when it is more than the other number. So 1/3 of a certain number, so this fractional part of a certain number is exceeding 1/5 of that number. So you need to find the number and how much it is exceeding or how much more it is. 40. Now suppose if I tell Shreya's marks exceed Priya's marks by 40. What does it mean? The difference between Shreya and Priya's marks is 40. And how to write the difference? We subtract from one figure the other figure. So we always subtract from greater to the smaller number. So similarly, if I say 1/3 of a number exceeds 1/5 of a number, it means 1/3 of a number is greater than 1/5 by how much? 40. So if I subtract both the numbers, the result is 40. So first of all, we don't know the number. Let the number be x. And what do we know? According to the problem, according to the problem, 1/3 of the number, 1/3 of x, exceeds means it is greater than 1/5 of the number. That means 1/5 of x by 40. That means the greater number is how much greater than the smaller number? By 40. So when we subtract from the greater the smaller number, the difference between them is 40. That is given in the sum. So I can write 1 into x is x by 3 minus x by 5. What is x? X is the number which we have to find, the unknown number which we have to find, equal to 40. Now take the LCM between 3 and 5, 15, and 3 5s are 15. So 5 into x minus 5 3s are 15. So 3 into the numerator. 5x minus 3x is 2x by 15 equal to 40. Now 2x, so we have to find the unknown. We keep the unknown on one side and try to shift the numbers on the other side. And when we shift this 15, which is divided by, now it changes side from left hand side. When it moves to right hand side, it becomes multiplied to 15. Now 2x is equal to 40 into 15. This 600. Now we need to find x. So we have to shift this 2 also to the other side. So we have to keep at the end only the unknown on one side because we have to find it. So 2 is multiplied to 6. When it changes side, it will be divided. So 600 is divided with 2. So 2 300. So x or the unknown value is 300. X is on the number that we have taken. Let the number be x, which the question requires you to find out. So we have already find out the number which we have taken as unknown x, and that is equal to 300. So what is the answer? The number is Now in this question what is given? Suppose there is one bamboo stick. Now fraction always tells you portion. It does not tells you what is the original length of the stick, but it tells you if the total length is divided into 5 units, how much unit you are talking about. Suppose if I tell 1/5, it means only one part out of the entire stick when it is divided into 5 equal pieces. So what is given? There is a bamboo stick and 1/5 of its length is in mud. So the stick is under mud. How much is under mud? 1/5 of the stick. 1/4 of it is in water. So 1/4 of the stick is under water. You have all seen sticks are uprooted inside the land. So only 1/5 of the stick is inside mud and 1/4 of the stick is inside water, and the remaining is not given in fraction but is given in actual measurement. 11 meters is outside water. So what is the total portion which is under mud and water? So total part of bamboo inside mud and water equal to 1/4 plus 1/5. That is equal to, take the LCM, this 9/20. So 9/20 of the stick is inside mud and inside water. So what I said, that there is one stick and portion of the stick is inside mud and water. So how much portion is inside mud? 1/5, and the portion inside water is 1/4. So the total portion of stick which is inside mud and water, so you have to write, this is a problem sum, total part of bamboo inside mud and water equal to 1/4 plus 1/5, which I have already showed is coming equal to 9/20. Now here, how much portion is outside? You know the original measurement. It is not given in fraction. First what we will do, if this is the total stick, it means 1. That fraction total is always equal to 1. So if I say this is the total stick 1, and from there if I subtract the fraction of stick which is inside mud and water, which I know, and I have found out its total, I will get the fraction of the stick which is outside. So what we will do? So we will find fraction. Here the original measurement of stick outside mud and water is given, but fraction is not mentioned. So how will I find out fraction of bamboo outside mud and water? Equal to 1. The total of fraction is always 1. We are talking about only one bamboo stick. Minus, what is the total fraction of stick inside mud and water? That is 9/20. So from here if I subtract 1 minus 9/20, that is equal to how much? To find out equal to 11 by 20. That means 11 portion out of 20. If I divide the stick into 20 equal parts like this, 11 portions are outside the mud and water. So the fraction of stick which is lying outside you know on one side, and you also know the original measurement of stick which is lying outside. So what you will do next step, according to the problem, according to the problem, 11 by 20 portion which is outside, 11 by 20, this is the fraction of bamboo outside mud and water. That should be equal to the measurement of bamboo, original measurement. It is already known how much is lying outside. So we will equate these two things. This is given in fraction, how much of stick is lying outside mud and water, and this is given original measurement, how much is lying outside mud and water. So therefore, in fraction what you know, therefore one bamboo stick, you only have one stick, so you have to find the length of the bamboo stick. So length of, this is given length of, so if 11 by 20 is the fraction of bamboo stick lying outside, what is the length or measurement that is given? 11 meters. So if I want to find length of entire bamboo stick, entire means how many stick is there? Only one. So length of one bamboo stick will be how much? It will be definitely more, because fractional number we know it is less, and the entire always is more than that. So only 11 by 20, that is a fraction, only a part of the bamboo stick if it measures 11 meters. The entire bamboo stick will measure always more than that. So whenever we have to find more, what do? Whatever is the length given, with that we will multiply the reciprocal of this fraction, that is 20 by 11. Again repeating, the length of a fraction of bamboo stick which is outside water is known, 11 meter. But we have to find the length of entire bamboo stick which is a single stick. So obviously, if this is the stick, if I say 11 by 20 part means this much, only this much. So that measurement will be more, or the entire one stick will measure more. Definitely the stick, total stick's measurement, it should have more value. So how will we find out? What is the measurement of the part given into the fraction reciprocal? So you just take out the reciprocal of the fraction. See, 11 and 11 got cancelled. 20, you are measuring the length. So the unit is given in meters. So the answer should also contain the unit meter. So this is the answer. So what will be the final answer? Length of bamboo